History, art, food, music, architecture, culture, sacred sites, charming villages, and stunning scenery are all around, and in an atmosphere that only the most confirmed curmudgeon could fail to enjoy. Today's video is about wonders of Italy, the most amazing places in Italy. Before we get started, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest content. Tuscany. Explore Tuscany, a beautiful region with rolling green hills, olive groves, vineyards, medieval castles and cypress-lined winding roads. Tuscany's most famous Chianti wine region stretches between Florence and Siena. Visit the Duomo in Florence, and see the famous statue of David at the Uffizi. Visit the famous hill towns of Tuscany like San Gimignano with its medieval stone towers, Siena for its gargantuan public square and cathedral, and Pisa with its iconic Leaning Tower. Go truffle hunting, indulge in wine tasting, sample local olive oil and explore some of Lucca's most beautiful medieval buildings. Amalfi Coast. The UNESCO-listed Amalfi Coast, famous for its sun-kissed shores and dramatic landscapes, is one of the most beautiful places to visit in Italy, with iconic islands like Capri boasting the ethereal Blue Grotto. Picture perfect coastal towns hemmed in by towering cliffs, terraced vineyards and orchards, whitewashed villages and fragrant lemon groves present nature at its scenic best. Towns like Sorrento, Naples and Positano beckon with their panoramic views, while a drive along the winding 50 km coast road from Sorrento to Salerno unveils unparalleled coastal beauty. Matera. Matera, located in the southern region of Basilicata west of Puglia, is one of Italy's most beautiful and scenic cities, characterized by its limestone caves, churches, palaces, and houses perched on a rocky outcrop. Dating back over 12,000 years, Matera is one of the oldest continually inhabited places on Earth, boasting cave dwellings known as sassi, carved into the limestone, along with more than 150 stone churches. This ancient city, featured in famous films like The Passion of the Christ, offers stunning viewpoints called belvederes, providing panoramic vistas over the cliffs. Rome. Rome, often called the Eternal City and famed for its 7 hills, is a testament to Western civilization with its grand monuments and ruins. Within its city limits is Vatican City, the world's smallest country, housing the iconic Sistine Chapel. From the iconic Colosseum to the historic Forum, Rome invites visitors on a journey through time. Explore its lively piazzas, such as Piazza Navona and the Spanish Steps, or admire architectural marvels like the Pantheon. Step back in time on the ancient Appian Way, dating back to 312 BC, and discover the catacombs beneath your feet. For an authentic Roman experience, wander through the vibrant neighborhood of Trastevere, known for its bustling atmosphere, nightlife, corner shops, bars and charming cafes. Lake Como. Nestled at the foot of the Alps in Lombardy, Lake Como is another beautiful and scenic place in Italy, boasting opulent lakeside villas and hotels. The third largest lake in Italy, Lake Como sprawls over 56 square miles and is adorned with elegant residences and hotels. Explore charming lakeside towns like Como, Bellagio, Varenna, and Lecco, each boasting picturesque streets and Mediterranean-style buildings. Marvel at historic villas like Villa Carlotta, home to exquisite antiques and paintings, and wander through its expansive botanical gardens offering stunning views of the lake. Venice. Venice, a city unlike any other, captivates with its romantic charm and unique setting across 126 islands interconnected by canals and bridges. Glide along the bustling Grand Canal in a gondola, admire the Byzantine-style architecture of St. Mark's Square, and cross the iconic Rialto Bridge. Discover hidden gems within Renaissance churches, cozy wine bars, and winding alleyways. Visit landmarks like the Bridge of Sighs, linked to the Doge's Palace, and the Santa Maria della Salute Church, built in gratitude for the city's deliverance from the plague. Take a boat cruise to the nearby islands of Murano, known for glassblowing, and Burano, famed for its lacework and vibrant, pastel-colored houses. Florence. This city was the birthplace of the Renaissance, and the art museums here are a testament to that. Michelangelo's David, the amazing Uffizi Gallery, the frescoes on the dome of the Duomo, and the statues that are on display in the historic city centre are spectacular sights to see. But there are enough towers to climb, gelato to eat, and shops to visit that you don't have to feel like you are on museum overload on a visit to Florence. Milan. Italy's fashion capital often gets a bad rap: too international, too organized, not chaotic enough. Don't believe it. Where else can you go from a Gothic-style cathedral, started in the 14th century, to masterpieces by Leonardo? His Last Supper fresco in the church of Santa Maria del Grazie is a showstopper. But so is the Sala dell'As in the Castello Sforzesco, which he painted as a trompe-l'oeil forest bower. Milan's restaurants pull together the best food from the Italian peninsula. It's home to one of Italy's rare cocktail scenes, and its fashion houses are transforming the city's modern art scene with venues like Fondazione Prada, an old distillery now housing works by the likes of Jeff Koons and Damien Hirst, as well as putting on top-notch temporary exhibitions. Capri and Sorrento. The fabled Isle of Capri rises in steep cliffs from the Tyrrhenian Sea, only 20 kilometers from Sorrento. It was the bolt hole for the Roman emperors Augustus and Tiberius, and today attracts a steady stream of tourists arriving on the frequent ferries and hydrofoils from Sorrento and Naples. Although very small, it is barely 6 kilometers at its longest. It has two towns, Capri and high above it, Anacapri. The lower town is where to find smart shops and cafes full of people watchers hoping to spot a celebrity. Anacapri is the site of the lovely Villa San Michele and its gardens. The Cinque Terre. The 5 towns that cling to the steep, rocky Mediterranean coast north of La Spezia were almost impossible to reach by land until the railway connected them by tunneling through the headlands that separate them. Today, the trail along the cliffs that locals once used to travel from town to town is one of Europe's greatest hikes, the shortest and widest of its sections. Between Manarola and Rio Maggiore is known as the Via dell'Amore, and has finally reopened after several years' closure due to a landslide. Pisa and Lucca. The nearby towns of Pisa and Lucca are worth visiting while you're in Tuscany, the first for the exceptional Campo dei Miracoli complex and the other for its endearing charms. The Leaning Tower of Pisa, actually the campanile for the adjacent cathedral, is a well-known Italian icon, and forms the centerpiece of a UNESCO World Heritage Site that also includes the cathedral, baptistry, and Campo Santo. The highlight of the impressive baptistry is Nicola Pisano's intricately carved freestanding pulpit, a masterpiece of Romanesque sculpture. Completing the ensemble is a museum displaying some of the most beautiful gold and silver work of the Middle Ages and Renaissance. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Share your thoughts in the comments below.